Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. We all do understand the importance of removing makeup before we sleep for clear and beautiful skin, and often we feel tired or lazy to remove the makeup and we just sleep with our makeup face on. I also do agree that the entire process of makeup removal and then further on cleansing etc. is really time taking, which is why Everyuth Naturals has recently launched an amazing product, which is their Micellar Cleanser, which is a 2-in-1 solution that not only removes your everyday makeup but also cleanses your skin and nourishes it at the same time. So this is an antibacterial makeup remover which has a combination of two unique ingredients. It has got tea tree oil and sea minerals. Now what tea tree oil does is it kind of balances the skin, not making it too oily or shrinking the pores, and the aqua sea minerals restore the nutrients which are lost due to pollution, air, dust, etc. So this is like a really unique combination. The packaging is super travel friendly. You can keep it in your handbag, and the product size of this bottle is 100 ml, so that makes this bottle one of those cleansers that you can keep in your hand luggage instead of your check-in luggage, and this can be your all-time makeup solution for your travel. The bottle has a spray pump mechanism which enables easier and controlled dispersion of the product on the cotton pad. It's quite simple to use. All you gotta do is shake it well and spray it on a cotton pad, and then swipe the cotton pad to remove all the makeup to reveal fresh and pure skin. This is suitable for all skin types including sensitive, and for face, lips and eye makeup too. It is also approved by dermatologists. The cost of the product is 225 rupees only for a product size of 100 ml, and trust me, makeup removal has never been so much easier. Just shake it, spray it and swipe out all the makeup with Everyuth Naturals Micellar Cleanser, and it will not be a task anymore. I hope you enjoyed this little review, and let me know in the comment section what you thought about this product. Like, share and subscribe, and I will see you very soon. Bye!